Attention course creators, affiliates, consultants, and coaches. Discover the secret to turn Skool into a money-making machine and scale fast. Struggling to turn your Skool community into a revenue-generating platform? This information may be valuable. You're not alone. After extensive research, a digital marketing expert has identified a potential root cause of this issue. It appears to be unrelated to your niche, audience size, or marketing skills. They suggest that the community revenue gap may be influenced by a lack of strategic automation and engagement techniques. These gaps could create missed opportunities, potentially affecting your ability to convert members into paying customers. But what if I told you there's a better way? Introducing From 0 to 6 Figures with Skool, the ultimate scaling playbook. A step-by-step training system that aims to teach you how to build and scale your Skool community effectively. With Grow and Scale with Skool, you'll be able to monetize and scale your Skool community fast. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say.
Before taking Grow and Scale with Skool, my Skool community was stagnant. I had members, but engagement was low, and I wasn't making any real revenue. This program changed everything. I learned exactly how to structure my community, increase engagement, and most importantly, turn members into paying customers. Within 30 days, my community revenue tripled, and I now have a system that runs almost on autopilot. If you're serious about growing your Skool group, this is the only course you need.
I wasted months trying to figure out Skool on my own, but nothing seemed to work. Grow and Scale with Skool gave me the exact strategies I needed to attract quality members, automate my sales process, and scale fast. The automation techniques alone saved me hours every week, and my community is now more engaged than ever. My Skool group went from 50 to 500 plus members in just 2 months, and the revenue is flowing in. Highly recommend this to anyone wanting to build a profitable Skool community.
So what are you waiting for? Join hundreds of satisfied customers by now, before the price goes up. Limited time offer. Click the link below and sign up today.